Shiba Inu is exploding. The price has just recovered. Everyone is very excited. The indications are being dropped by the analysts. A lot of investors are suddenly millionaires. However, everyone was taken aback by an unidentified whale. When Coinbase was acquired, it had 85 billion Shiba Inu. A huge bombshell is dropped by the CEO of Coinbase. All of this was clarified by Satoshi Kusama. Tell me what's going on. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. The whole neighborhood is on the brink of chaos as Shiba Inu shocks everything once again. Shiba Inu seems to have hit a more solid pricing point not long ago, after quickly bouncing back after a little downturn. Even while it wasn't a huge jaw-dropping pump, it was plenty to restore that long-lost thrill. The whole atmosphere changed with it. Once again, people are feeling aggressive and the negativity. All but vanished. Those pessimists who were questioning everything, they just stopped talking. On the contrary, everyone is so relieved and pleased to see the Shiba Inu thriving that the neighborhood is almost electric with excitement. Without a question, it has been an emotional roller coaster, but these kinds of events bring everyone back to the reason they stayed. And now we get to the wild part. It seems like this is no ordinary pump. According to analysts, Shiba Inu has broken over a significant resistance level, which may indicate that this move is gaining traction. The price has been falling for the last week, but now it seems to be turning around, and the mood in the community is changing rapidly. The Shiba Inu isn't completely free, however. Investors are often wary when they see a negative formation, such as the death cross, which has been around for some time. Nevertheless, pricing action as of late has been defying expectations, suggesting a possible upturn in market mood. The major test is about to begin. The Shiba Inu price is getting close to a significant level where short-term momentum may be measured by traders. A confirmation of the trend change and the possibility of more increases might occur if the price manages to push through this level. However, sellers may intervene and create resistance if it fails to succeed in this area. The high amount of trades is another factor that is stimulating interest. Its sudden and dramatic increase is indicative of a raging market. While such a rise can herald an impending reversal, it might also mark the beginning of something much more substantial. This moment might determine whether Shiba Inu continues to soar or encounters another wave of selling pressure, so traders are keeping a careful eye on it. This, however, is the rub. It may be difficult for Shiba Inu to make a major splash, despite all the buzz and anticipation. An expert has identified volume as the primary factor preventing the token from achieving true market penetration. Approximately 91 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are now trading at a certain price point, and their value exceeds $1 billion. Wow, that's a huge sum. Many holders in this bracket are presently struggling, which is sad. Because of this, there is a sell wall that forms whenever the price of a token goes up. As a result, every effort to break out is constantly met with resistance. Shiba Inu can't break over this obstacle until there are as many purchasers as there are tokens available for sale. Assuming it takes place, completing this level shouldn't be an issue. That is easier said than done, however, since Shiba Inu aren't the only factor. The larger cryptocurrency market is crucial, and this opposition may persist in preventing the token from moving forward unless the circumstances are ideal. Things are improving, but the community must remain vigilant in its monitoring of this enormous barrier consisting of 91 trillion tokens. The struggle between buyers and sellers is fierce at this crucial level, but a breakthrough is still possible if demand rises up sufficiently. But hold on a second. This obstacle aside, it is still a tremendous accomplishment to reach that significant resistance level. It becomes much more intriguing from this point on. The number of individuals who have become Shiba Inu millionaires at this cost has now been disclosed in a study that has gone viral online. Anyone with 62 billion Shiba Inu coins or more formally has a 7-figure portfolio as of right now. Analysts estimate that 1,600 wallets are presently containing Shiba Inu worth between six figures and $1 million. The cumulative value of these assets is tens of millions of dollars. Next, we have the next level. Wallets carrying between $1 and $10 million worth of Shiba Inu. Approximately 900 addresses make up this group, and their combined token holdings total several billion dollars, which is really staggering. Finally, there are only 75 elite wallets with Shiba Inu valued at over $10 million. Their numbers may be tiny, but their cumulative holdings are in the tens of thousands, which makes them a major participant in the ecosystem. Curiously, the number of wallets falling within these affluent groups was much higher a few weeks earlier. Back then, there were a few more addresses with portfolios exceeding 1 million. This might mean that some large investors have cashed out or rebalanced their holdings. This further demonstrates the amount of activity taking on in the background. The fact that the number of Shiba Inu millionaires is increasing at this price, despite resistance levels, is evidence that people are still placing large bets on the token's future. If we're talking about huge sums, something more came to light today that shocked the Shiba Inu breed. An unidentified whale has just extracted an unprecedented quantity of Shiba Inu tokens from Coinbase. The famous meme currency has been experiencing strange transfer activity once again, and this time it was noticed on one of the largest US crypto exchanges. An unprecedented wallet, which has never been used before, abruptly removed 85 billion Shiba Inu coins, valued at more over $1 million in the last few hours. This was noticed by on-chain observers, and the recipient's wallet quickly rose to the top of the day's inflow rankings after the transfer was confirmed. A lot of guesswork has been generated by this, as one would expect. There are some who think this may be a whale subtly gathering Shiba Inu in preparation for an imminent migration. Some have speculated that this change in liquidity strategy could be part of a wider trend. In any event, there is often a rationale for this kind of behavior. This is when things become interesting. Is it possible that the Shiba Inu interprets these whale movements as a bullish sign that something significant is about to happen? An expert went so far as to say that Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies are beginning to exhibit patterns reminiscent of the irrational bull run of 2021. According to a tweet by a Twitter expert, cryptocurrencies are behaving similarly to how they did in early 2021. Furthermore, a significant breakthrough may be imminent if this trend persists. People are taking notice of it since it occurred at a period of unprecedented market volatility, when alternative cryptocurrency values reached record highs. Shiba Inu's price surge in 2021 was completely out of control. As its value soared above anyone's expectations, it transformed from a mere meme currency into one of the most remarkable crypto breakout stories. It was like magic. People started making six-figure salaries, and Shiba Inu became a famous brand. Envision it occurring once again. This time around, however, Shiba Inu has a much larger following, more practical applications, and many more observers. Things can become wild pretty quick if Shiba Inu rides the cryptocurrency wave that resembles 2021. There may be some major changes if FOMO kicked in and more purchasers flooded in. While nothing can be assured, it seems like something is about to happen with whales already making significant moves. If past events are any indication, the next weeks may prove to be rather unpredictable. This could be just the beginning, since the CEO of Coinbase recently revealed a surprise. He predicts that 10% of the world's economy will be crypto-based in only 5 years. During Coinbase's earnings call, Brian Armstrong discussed the impending global revolution brought about by blockchain technology. He is referring to more than simply a little change. According to him, sectors, enterprises, and even ordinary transactions might be powered by crypto by the year 2030, with billions of dollars flowing through it. This is when things get really out of hand. Your Shiba Inu isn't only maturing, it's thriving. Within the next 5 years, it hopes to become a world superpower. The crew isn't thinking tiny, as main developer Satoshi Kusama recently highlighted. According to him, Shiba Inu are undergoing unprecedented levels of development and are actively seeking out mainstream adoption. By the way, they're not only chatting. To incorporate Shiba Inu technology into UAE government initiatives, they have recently partnered with the UAE Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure. Yes, it is correct. In genuine government collaborating with a meme currency. But that's only the start. It was made very plain by Kusama that in 5 years they want everything to be powered by Shiba Inu. When there are collaborations in the private sector, public sector, or both. If the CDO of Coinbase is correct and cryptocurrency accounts for more than 10% of the world's GDP, in 5 years, Shiba Inu will be well positioned to profit greatly from this trend. Why? Because Shiba Inu has created an incredible ecosystem that is already growing into partnerships, Web3 acceptance, and real-world use cases, unlike other meme currencies. The Shiba Inu may have taken over the world by then. Shibarium achieved complete scalability, widespread acceptance, notable partnerships, and practical application. Being a meme currency isn't going to cut it anymore. The goal is to become a fully functional blockchain ecosystem that may have a significant impact on the future of cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu will be well positioned to attract both regular people and large investors if the world really does go towards cryptocurrency, as Coinbase's CEO expects. Things are about to become crazy now. With any luck, this will be the most unprecedented bull run in history, surpassing even the most impressive performance in 2021. Contemplate it. Trillions of dollars pouring into cryptocurrency, widespread acceptance, and intense interest from investors. Shiba Inu isn't talking about insignificant profits if it rides that wave. When we speak about returns, we're referring about the kinds that may make early adopters famous. The precise potential height is unknown to anybody. Having Shiba Inu now may be like buying Bitcoin or Ethereum just before they went boom if history repeats itself or even becomes greater. Shiba Inu owners may see a sea change in the next 5 years. Someone may be laughing all the way to the bank if they can see the broader view today. However, how do you feel about this? Give your thoughts in the space provided. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.